What's up, guys? I am back, and I just is recording this video because I'm going to show you my cute little puppy. This is a German Shepherd puppy. We've had him for 2 weeks, and he's just super cute. You getting angry, little guy? His name is Django, D-J-A-N-G-O, but the D is silent. What's up, Django? Hi, little guy. So anyways, yeah, this is Django.